Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make simple stop-motion animation videos. Before begin, I would like to share with you one of the top-ranking YouTube stop-motion animation channel that inspire me very much. This is the stop-motion animation channel that hits 1.62 million subscribers and 502 million views. So, this is very impressive, right? Are you getting excited? Want to know how to do this? Stay tuned. I will show you a simple step to make this kind of stop-motion animation video. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search for Stop Motion Studio app. Install the Stop Motion app into your smartphone. Before begin, we need to plan a storyboard and some equipment preparation that require to records the stop-motion videos. You can draft your storyboard using blank paper. The equipment I use to make this stop-motion animation videos is a smartphone, tripod, Figma toy and handmade DIY needle-felted animals. The video background I use green color hardboard paper for recording due to I want to edit the background image afterward using free video editor software. After preparation ready, now we can use the stop-motion studio app to start recording. Don't worry, I will guide you how to use this stop-motion studio application. Click on the stop-motion app and log in. Click New Movie, you'll be able to capture images. Before begin, let me brief some of the basic menu and functions. Click on the question mark to display the icon's description. Movie speed, I set at 10 frames per second. The next is the basic screen effects such as fade in from back. You can also choose the screen size. Foreground picture, adjust color, movie resolutions and playback functions. To start recording, just press the capture icons and snap a image. You can also adjust the motion transparency to view the next motion movement and snap image. After snapping a serial of images, you can display the video motion. You can choose the image from the slide and do some editing if you want. For all the features such as add images, title and credits, audio and import clip you will need to pay some money to unlock the features. However, you only be able to view and see some of the features such as title, credit, background, theme music and sound effects for free version. You can also record and insert your own voice if you want. Go back to main stop-motion studio screen, press on the image photos of your project until the tick icon shown. Choose the second image icon to export movie, animated GIF, all images, flipbook or project. You can choose save location and it will indicate the download progress for you to view. That's all it take. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.